So, you're awake.
Captain Yamato? What was?
You hyperventilated and passed out.
Oh. Where's Kakashi-sensei?
He went after Sakura.
That's right! Sakura!
Hey, I understand how you feel, but you can't go anywhere. Kakashi's orders are for us to head back to the Leaf ahead of him. It'll be all right. Leave it to Kakashi. He'll bring Sakura back for you. Let's just do what we can.
I understand.
Just be patient for now, all right? Well, shall we head back to the Leaf? We have to let them know the results of the summit right away.
Roger.
Let's just do what we can.
What I can do. Go back to the Leaf, and then... No. That's wrong. Going back to the Leaf isn't what I should do. I've gotta go to Sasuke, see Sasuke again, and talk to him one more time. That's what I can do right now. That's what I must do. I'm sorry, Captain Yamato. I'm going after all. I have to believe in my path and stick to it. Sakura! Kakashi-sensei! I'll be right there! Just wait, Sasuke. Till I become Hokage, I'll carry on, undefeated!
Mission start.
I've gotta hurry! to stand around? Sasuke, I'm coming! They just keep coming, one after another! You're in the way! Move!
Mission complete.
Sasuke.
Think hard about what you can do for Sasuke.
When I see him, I have the feeling I know what my answer will be. If it's this powerful, I must be getting close. All right.
What's wrong? Your moves have been gradually getting slower.
What power? More than I expected. My body is...
You've hit your limit, haven't you, Kakashi? Then it's all over for you.
Kakashi-sensei!
So now you choose to come out.
I will stop Sasuke. I will.
You're too late!
Stop! Sasuke! Naruto!
Naruto!
You have even better timing than me. I didn't think you'd make it in time.
Sasuke, Sakura is a member of Team 7 just like you!
I am a former Team 7 member. Now do you understand, Naruto? This isn't the Sasuke you used to know.
Sasuke, I heard the truth about Itachi from that Madara guy. I don't really know if it was the truth or just lies. But no matter what, I understand what you're doing and why.
What do you understand? What could you possibly? You have no parents or siblings, so what do you know? People who can't understand should just shut up! Earlier I got revenge for Itachi. I killed the leader of the Leaf, Danzo.
What? He killed Danzo?
It was a feeling I'd never felt before. As if the Uchiha, defiled for so long, were at last being purified. The feeling that the Uchiha were being liberated from the rotten world of the ninja. In a way, it's what you, the Hidden Leaf, have always wanted. You've always denied the Uchiha. Well, I will give you your wish and erase my clan from your memory by destroying you and all of the Leaf. Purification means cutting all bonds. That will be the true rebirth of the Uchiha!
That hatred. All that history is what created the new Sasuke.
Naruto. Sasuke.
That's enough. Naruto, leave this up to me.
Just a little more, and I'll know the answer. I feel it. Kakashi-sensei, please let me do this. I think with a little more, I'll understand.
What? Are you saying...
Are you next, Naruto?